PAN Micrometer is the smallest digital multimeter of Pancontrol. It is very compact and handy, mostly for home use. It offers 300 volt AC and DC voltage, 9 volt battery test, 200 milliamps DC current, diode test, resistance measurement and data hold. Between phase and neutral there's a voltage of 230 volt. For higher voltages, such as the 400 volt between two phases, PAN Micrometer is not approved. The data hold button freezes the displayed value. There are two ways of testing the voltage of a battery. The first possibility is the normal DC voltage test, in which the battery voltage is tested without any load, in this case 9.25 volt. The second possibility is the battery test, where the battery is loaded with a discharge current. In this case, the battery voltage is only 8.86 volt.